Welcome to our updated guide on how to add a sticker to your comments on Facebook using your Android device. Let's make your interactions more colorful and engaging with this easy process. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, scroll down through your feed until you find the post where you'd like to leave a sticker comment. Now, tap on the comment bar located below the post to start typing your comment. Express yourself creatively by adding a sticker to your comment. Simply tap on the smiley face icon near the comment box. Next, browse through the variety of stickers available and select the one that best fits your message. Choose a sticker that adds a touch of fun or emotion to your comment. Once you've chosen the perfect sticker, tap Post to share your comment with the sticker attached. Your comment will now stand out with the visual appeal of the sticker, making it more engaging for your friends and followers. By incorporating stickers into your Facebook comments, you can bring more personality and creativity to your interactions. Elevate your social media presence and make your comments more expressive with this feature.